Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So, one of the things I like to kind of highlight sometimes when it's not obvious, or maybe it's not obvious to everybody, but some of the focus that we're putting in on the app is kind of I would say, sort of a behind the scenes kind of thing. So, a lot of the stuff that we're working on this quarter is very much around scalability, performance, but also things like UI changes. So, one of the things I want to share with you real quick is this is actually a common UI library that we are rolling out across the entire app. And some of you have probably seen this. If you look under like marketing and you start looking at Social Planner, you can see some of this stuff. The Affiliate Manager, you can start to see a lot of this stuff. But basically the idea is to really go through and make it super simple. Two things. One, make the UI more consistent and I think nicer. So that's a huge thing. And if you can go through here and you I think this is like the default header. These are different headers and things. And a lot of these are pretty like small detailed things. For example, like this one, it's just how to show the loader at the end. So it creates a more consistent user experience, but the other big thing it does is it also makes it faster for us to actually develop components and features as we go forward. Because now as an engineer, I don't have to think, oh, wait, so if I'm going to do a text input with a number and I want to be able to plus or minus that number, what should that field look like? I don't have to deal with any of that. I literally can come in here to the library, grab it out, and actually just throw it in. So anyways, it's really helping to accelerate our development, and I think that it's the kind of project that I think sometimes doesn't get nearly the attention that it should. And I think that it was awesome, and I'm super happy that people went in and actually made this happen and did it. So with that in mind, someone asked the other day what UI library we're using, and so I wanted to show it off, and so here it is. So I'll close this out. I don't want to keep it going too long, but I hope all of you have an awesome Thursday, and I've got a bunch more videos to come. So talk to you in a second. Bye.